Hi, today we're going to do two things. One, I'm going to retire my trusty Garmin Inreach Explorer Plus. Retire may be a little bit of a harsh word. I will still keep it and probably still use it. I've taken this way up in Alaska, the Everglades, all over on a lot of different travels and adventures. But today I am happy to introduce and to do the unboxing of the my new Garmin Inreach Mini 2. Has many of the same functionalities, but it weighs a lot less, which is going to be important on my Amazon expedition, where I will be weight limited to 18 kilos. So without further ado, we are going to open up this box and check out the Inreach Mini 2. All right, so now we're going to open the box and check out the Garmin Inreach Mini 2 and compare it to its big brother. These packagings are always a little difficult. All right, so obviously we have the instruction and safety manual, and here is the Garmin Mini. Let's take off this protective plastic. Here, I am not going to set it up at this moment, but you can see it has the setup languages here in English and so on. But just looking at the differences here, you can see quite a size differential between the two. And this one here weighs in close to a pound, and this here is just a few ounces. And I will definitely put the weight specs in the description. So I will set this up, and it has the same SOS button functionality here. It has a clip here for the thing for the clip, and it is definitely a two-way satellite communicator with GPS. All right, so let's set this up now. So the messaging, you're always test your device before you go. That is actually very good advice. I'm going to pair this offline. It says pair now, but I think just don't want to be doing the videotaping and the pairing at the same exact time. So I'm going to hit skip for this. There's little arrows on the side for up and down, and the OK or the enter button. Activate now. I have to change the activation from this one to this. So I'm going to skip because I do have an active plan. So I'm going to just again do the down arrow and hit OK for skip. And the time is 12:11 on Wednesday the 12th, which is correct. Typically later I will go into the settings and use the 24-hour clock, because I prefer military time. The 24-hour clock. So that is it. It's pretty much set up. I do need to deactivate the Garmin Inreach Explorer Plus, transfer that plan to here, which is the full adventure pack plan. They both have the search and the SOS button. You just pull this back, the safety tab, and press that down hard for a few seconds, and it activates the global search and rescue SOS. So it's a really amazing little device, and here we can kind of get them looking at them side by side. Here is the side-by-side comparison of the Garmin Mini Inreach 2 and the Garmin Inreach Explorer Plus. So you can see obviously the size of the screens are quite different. The screen size of the Explorer Plus is about the same size as almost the entire device. The Explorer Plus has all the arrow keys here, the checkbox, so the enter, the cancel, preset buttons are right here. So quite a bit of difference on the face. The backs, this one has a clip, which is great for your belt, as well as the carabiner here. This one just has, the Mini just has the carabiner. The differences here, the antennas are, the satellite antennas are exactly the same. Now, let's look at the buttons that we have here. So you could see on the Mini 2, we have the OK button or the Enter button and a return button here. The SOS button is right here. On the other side, you just have the navigations of up and down. Okay, so it's quite a bit of difference. There's no keyboard on this one. This one is connected. The Mini 2 is connected via Bluetooth to your phone or the app to send messages or type, or just use the preset that I have on my on the big one here. So those are kind of looking at the size differences. The functionality as far as the satellite communication is the same, at least as far as what I have been told and what I have read. And there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Garmin Inreach Mini 2.